Coco. me just get into the balcony for a second? I don't know what this is.